The intent overlap shows you overlap between topics. So when you click on overlap on the left side pane, you will see the base topic and you will see the overlapping topic. And you will also see, let's say currently what we see here is that we have a topic called podcast, and it has 5 trained phrases in total. And then we have the topic called weather, it has 22 phrases in total. So for each of these comparison pairs, you can see the amount of trained phrases that they have attached to it. This is helpful because then you can understand, whether some topics have a large collection of phrases attached to it or just a small one. And then what the AI gives is the overlap percentage. So here we can see that there's a 20% overlap between the trained phrases for the topic of podcast and the topic of weather. So as an AI trainer, this is something for you to look into because there's quite a big overlap. So, 20% of cases, the AI might be confusing users and taking them to weather or podcast where it should be taking them to, podcast and weather. So there is a bit of confusion. So what's helpful here is that when you can just, you can click on these topic pairs, and then it will take you to retrain where you can see the phrases that are attached to the topics and might cause confusion. And then you can use retrain to retrain it, or you can just go into the flow editor and then select the podcast topic and delete the phrases attached to it.